BSc Electronics. In today's video, we'll be seeing some of the very latest fresher recruitment updates and internship updates. Today, in this video, we'll discuss many internship updates also for any students doing graduation or post-graduation or PhD for that matter. So we'll see the recruitment updates one by one. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. Okay. So we'll be seeing the recruitment updates from Wipro. Then we'll see an internship opportunity from Government of India. Then there is a fresher recruitment update from HARMAN. Then we'll see some internship updates from Deloitte, Accenture, and JP Morgans. Okay. So let's see the updates one by one. The first one is from Wipro. It is for the post of reporting analyst. Okay. So I'll try to give you maximum information about the selection process detail, the salary, and what is the eligibility criteria, all those things. Okay, so please do watch this video without skipping. Okay, so the first post is for reporting analyst. The location is Gurugram is the location. So this job is actually for the role of reporting analyst, and here you have to do data analysis, writing of Excel sheets, keeping records of the data entry. So this is the nature of job. Okay, so these are the things which you have to do. Now, this is basically a non-coding job, and here any graduate can apply and any year of pass out can apply because they have not asked for any experience as such. Also, they have not mentioned any age limit. So any year of pass out can apply here, and it is a non-coding job. Okay, the salary that you can expect is in between the range of 25K to 35K on a monthly basis. And the selection process, we know that it will be consisting of 3 stages. There'll be an aptitude test, then there'll be technical rounds, and then there'll be HR round. Okay, so that will be the selection process also. So currently you can expect it as work from home. Anyway, the location they have given is Gurugram. Okay, so if you're interested, just click on this apply icon. The next post we are going to see is again from Wipro. It is for the post of associate. Associate means generally all the fresher candidates are called as associates. For example, associate software engineer or associate analyst. So these are entry level posts. Okay. Now the location here is Airoli, and they have asked for the qualification as graduate fresher as well as experienced candidates will do. Okay. So here they are calling for mainly freshers, even though if you are having an entry level experience, also you can apply. Basically, they are calling for freshers. Okay, any graduates can apply here also. Again, it will be work from home only, and the salary is almost the same, 25K to 30K in between that. That will be the salary range. Okay, the next post is for process associate. Now, process associate is a person who maintains, monitor, records, and take care of the production process. Okay, so that is the post. Actually, location is Kolkata. Now here they are mainly calling for the customer service domain. So you will be handling the customer service session, and the requirement is any graduate will do. And if you are having 6 months of experience in the call center at least, then that will be taken as an advantage and you will get more preference. Okay, salary also they have mentioned clearly, 1,70,000 will be the pay level. Okay, other than that, since it is a call center or calling related or BPO related job, you need to have voice clarity, accent neutrality, fluent in English, and good grammar. Okay, so basically you should be having good communication skills in order to apply for this post. Also, in order to crack the selection process, there will be various test or evaluation rounds in which your language or communication skills will be assessed. So you need to have good communication skills in English. Okay, so that is the next post, which is for process associate. Okay, the next one or the last recruitment from Wipro we are going to see is associate UG, means undergraduates. Okay, so here they are looking for persons who are having knowledge in map making and map maintenance. Okay, so that is the skills or skill requirement, and that will be the area of your job. The location is Bengaluru. And another thing they have mentioned is here all the 15 years of full-time educations, means all the 3-year graduates like BSc, BBA, all those streams are eligible to apply. And if you are having masters like MBA or MCA or MTech, you are not eligible to apply. Okay, so clearly they have mentioned here that any graduate is eligible, Preferably, if you are having a 3-year graduations like BSc or BA or BBA, then you can apply. And freshers and experienced candidates can apply. Okay. So not just experienced candidates, but freshers can also apply because in the notification itself, they have given. Okay. So these are the 4 recruitment updates from Wipro. The next one we are going to see is a recruitment update from Government of India, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. So they are looking or they are calling for interns and any person who is pursuing graduation or post-graduation or research, means PhD candidates can apply here from these streams of educations like engineering, any streams like chemical, civil, electronics, IT, mechanical, all the streams are eligible. Management related studies, law related studies, economics related, finance related, computers related, or library management related. If you are doing any graduation or post graduation or research work, you can apply for this internship. Okay, so this internship is for either 1 month you can opt, or you can opt for 2 months, or you can opt for 3 months. Maximum up to 3 months you can do, you can opt for. Okay, and here this will be actually going on for this entire year, and you can apply for whichever slot you are interested in. Okay, so it will be open for the entire year. So there is no last date for application because it is open for the entire year. And at a time, they will be selecting 20 people. And the stipend that you are going to get is 10,000 per month. And after the successful completion of the internship, you will be getting a valid certificate also. Okay. So if you are a person who is studying your graduation or post-graduation or doing your research work, this is an excellent opportunity because you can do the internship and you will get a stipend that is 10,000 per month, and also you will get a valid certificate which is the completion of the internship. Okay, that is an experience letter. So you can add this in your resume. If you are not having any experience or anything, you can actually showcase this in your resume and it will be a valid thing. Okay, so there is no fee payment or anything, just you have to fill up an application form which is like this. Okay, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade internship application form. This is the application form that you have to fill up. So I'll be putting this link also in the description. So after reading out the notification, directly go to the second link and then apply. Okay, so as I've told you, there is no last date for this internship. It will be open throughout the year. Okay, so that's all about the internship update from Government of India. It is actually a government initiated internship program. Okay, the next one is actually a recruitment update from Herman. So Herman is a production based or a product based company. It is a sister organization of Samsung, and they are calling for associate engineer. And here this is a software engineer related job. And if you are having a little bit of coding knowledge, if you have studied, means if you are from any computer science or IT or ECEEE, any of those backgrounds, with any year of pass out, you can apply. Okay, Bengaluru is a location, and here they have asked for the knowledge in embedded RTOS, Linux, C++. So preferably if you are from a circuital related background, you will be having more chances of getting selected. They have not asked for any experience or anything as such. So all the fresher candidates are open to apply. Basic knowledge in these things. Okay, so this will be your area of work also. Embedded RTOS, Linux, C++, networking related areas. So this will be the job role or your area of work. Okay, so you should have basic software knowledge or basic coding skills. Okay, so that is the only thing. If you are interested, you can apply. The year of pass out doesn't matter. Okay, whichever year of pass out you are from, you can apply. The next set is actually some internship updates from 3 different companies. The first company is Deloitte. So these are actually virtual internship programs. Okay, so I'm going to share the details with you. So these are some virtual internship programs. You can do these internships from your home itself. You don't have to travel or you don't have to pay any money. The biggest advantage is that you can do these courses at your own pace from your home itself. Okay, and there is no fee payment. After the completion of the internship, you will get a valid certificate also. Okay, so the perks or the benefits are you will get a valid certificate, then you can do it in your own time. You can gain real work experience. Means for example, if you are doing a course or an internship from Deloitte, you will actually get a real experience of which all technologies they are using, which all projects they are handling, the domains, the tools they are using, all these things you can have a real-time experience. Okay. Also, you can showcase the certificate in your LinkedIn, and you can put these details in your CV or resume. Okay. So these are main advantages. You will get a very good understanding about Deloitte companies functioning and all. And in the future placements of Deloitte, you will get a more preference. Okay. So you will be considered as a person who is having good knowledge about the company. So you will get a preference in the future opportunities or in the recruitments of Deloitte. Okay. So this is a virtual internship. So if you are not doing anything and if you cannot travel, if you are doing your graduation or post graduation, along with that you can actually do this virtual internship. Okay, at your own pace. You can take your own time and you can complete the internship. There is no time limit or deadlines. Okay, so this is the first one, which is from Deloitte. In order to apply, just click on this register now icon, and you have to create an account with 4H. And after creating an account, you can directly start the course. Okay, then the next one is from JP Morgan's. Again, it is on the same platform, Forge itself. Just click on register now. After completing, you will get a valid certificate from JP Morgan's. And the last one is a virtual internship from Accenture. Okay. So these three companies are providing virtual internships in Forge platform, and you can definitely make use of this. No fee payment. It is completely free. See, the virtual experience is free for all the students. There is no fee payment or anything as such. Just do the course, complete the course and gain the certificate. This will be an excellent thing to put in your resume. Okay. So these are some virtual internships. Okay. So that's all for today's video. We have seen a lot of informative things in this video. And we have seen some recruitment updates and some internship updates also. So if you are interested in any of these updates, or if you are interested in doing any of these courses or applying for any of this post, all the links I'll be putting in description. Just go through the links and apply for it accordingly. Okay. So if you found the video useful, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow us on our Instagram page, share the videos with your friends also and tell them to subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.